Hi, welcome to the new episode of The Sky This Week. Let us look what celestial object we can see in the night sky of upcoming week. There is a special event which you can watch in the midnight sky of this week. You can watch Perseids meteor shower from midnight sky till early in the morning, couple of hours before the dawn. These are called Perseids because they appear to originate in the constellation Perseus. The expected peak of the shower may happen on August 12th and 13th. If the sky is dark and clear, you can expect to see more than 100 meteors per hour. As we do every time, we will start with identifying north cardinal direction. For this, in the evening sky, we have this group of 7 stars called Saptarishi Mandala or Big Dipper, which is part of much larger group called Ursa Major constellation. Using these stars, we can identify pole star or Polaris. If sky is dark, you can also see another set of 7 stars which looks very similar to Big Dipper but smaller in size. This group is called Ursa Minor. Pole star is the brightest in this group. Pole star or Polaris is a second magnitude star, which is at a distance of about 430 light years. Because in Bangalore and most of the Karnataka, it is very much near the horizon, it looks dimmer and appears as a third magnitude star. Towards the east, you can see Jupiter and Saturn. When the sky is clear, try to identify Sagittarius constellation. Just next to Sagittarius constellation, you can see Scorpius constellation, which you can identify with help of its red giant star Antares. Towards west, if you are watching the evening sky around 8:30 p.m., then you can see this bright star Spica or Chitta of Virgo constellation. Next to it, at about 20 degrees towards right, you can see another bright star Arcturus or Swati of Bootes constellation. In the early morning sky, around 4:30 a.m. towards north, you can identify Cassiopeia constellation, which can also help you to identify pole star. Towards northeast, dazzling Venus can be seen. You can also identify 2 bright stars of Gemini, Castor and Pollux. Towards the right side, you can see most popular pattern in the sky, the Orion constellation. Here, you can easily identify red star Betelgeuse, and diagonally opposite to it, you can see bright blue star Rigel. Below this, towards horizon, you can see bright star Sirius. This star is the brightest star among all in the night sky. Just above the southeastern horizon, you can see second brightest star Canopus. Towards south, you can identify Achernar of Eridanus constellation. High in the western sky, you can see the red planet Mars. Now, let us look at the moon's position in this week. It is better to observe the moon in the early morning sky. Early morning sky of August 11th. Moon is seen in Aries constellation. Early morning sky of August 12th. Moon can be seen in Taurus constellation near Pleiades or Kritika star cluster. Remember to watch Perseids meteor shower this night. On 13th of August, Moon can be seen in Taurus constellation near red star Aldebaran or Rohini. On 14th of August, Moon can be seen in Taurus constellation next to Aldebaran, near to Lambda Orionis. On 15th August, Moon can be seen in Gemini near Betelgeuse of Orion. On 16th August, you can see Moon in this part of Gemini along with Venus. On 17th August, Moon can be seen here in the eastern horizon just before the dawn. Thank you.